All right, so if you have your sliding door, sliding window, and sometimes people open without your knowledge, maybe you are sleeping, people open, steal your stuff, and then you are still sleeping, not knowing. Let's see how I'm going to fix this alarm system I got from my kit shop. So this is how it's supposed to align. Okay, and then the challenge I'm having now is that after I put this here and stick this here, it doesn't align. Okay, so it's not going to work. It has to be like this. So I got extra stickers. I cut out this card, this piece of card, okay, from this pizza package. Okay, this thickness, and then I'm using it as a pad. Okay, as a pad. So I'm doing the padding 2 times. So I already stick the extra sticker.
So is it double-sided?
Yes, double-sided sticker. Yes, it's very common on the market. You can get from Malcolm. Yes, let me check if it will come up. Yeah. Okay, so assuming I close, it should be somewhere here. Let me go ahead and stick this at once. I'm sticking it. Then I'm sticking this here. Okay. So if I should stick it after closing, it's locked, right?
Yeah.
So come and see the gap.
Okay.
So I'm going to stick. First of all, let me on. So this is okay. Okay, so stop. So I'm done. So check how loud it is when you move away. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So well, okay. How can't you wake up from this lovely noise? Unlike last time when I was sleeping, thieves came, slided my window. They had time to nail sticks together and pass the stick through my window to steal my laptop, my phone, and other valuables. How I wish someone tapped me to wake up, pick up a cutlass, and chop off their hands. My brother, my sister, get yourself a cheap alarm device which doesn't use any sophisticated systems. Sometimes you hire a watchman to take care of your farm, your storeroom, and all they tell you is they were around but they didn't hear when the thieves came in or went out. Buy this alarm device and then it will notify them so they don't give you any flimsy excuses.